Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, welcome to the roller coaster season that is early spring here in southern New England, where you can get these big swings from day to day. Of course, case in point, sunshine, 70s this weekend, and then rain and much cooler weather on the way for the beginning of this week as we check out live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. At times we've had some moderate rain showers, but for the most part it's been pretty light for now. In fact, you don't see a lot of green here on the screen, though it is certainly a wet feel outside. If it's not raining, it's a little bit of mist, some drizzle, low clouds and fog. Bottom line, the steadier rain, the larger raindrops later on tonight during the overnight hours. So yeah, umbrella weather next 24 hours, heaviest rain overnight into early tomorrow morning. Then we're talking about a late week chill with near record temperatures we had over the weekend, just the opposite coming up for later in the week and next weekend. Downtown Providence, low clouds, fog, mist, drizzle, some occasional light rain showers, temperatures at 51, northeast breeze at 8. Of course, the humidity, no surprise here, very high at 96%. So the flood watch in effect for the areas shaded in light green. Again, watch means the potential or the possibility of flooding, whereas a warning means either flooding is occurring or is highly likely. And right now we're in watch mode. Get down to the Patuxent River to name just a few rivers that we'll be watching over the next 24 hours. Of course, this river is below flood stage right now, but it's obviously still swollen from the rain, from the storm last week. The river level is at 6.5 feet. Flood stage is 9 feet. So if we do the math here, it's 2.5 feet below flood stage. But this water mark is still fairly high, so certainly any additional heavy rain does not help the situation. If we were to see some flooding on the Patuxent by sometime tomorrow evening, it would be minor flooding. It's not of the magnitude of what we had last week, but obviously even minor flooding is something that we don't need along that river basin right now. So we're going to keep you updated. Meanwhile, temperatures outside upper 40s to even mid 50s along the south shore, so obviously not as warm as what we had over the weekend. Temperatures are back to normal. You can see one area of steady rain that came through earlier today. It's let up a little bit, but there's a second surge of heavy rain across the mid-Atlantic coastline. One storm center off to our west, but a secondary one forming off the mid-Atlantic coastline. This is the one that will kind of ring out the atmosphere and give us some of the heavier rain later tonight, tomorrow morning. So for this evening, it's just gray and damp and foggy with mist and drizzle. And then midnight and beyond, the rain becomes heavier. And really, temperatures don't change that much in the upper 40s. The heaviest rain tomorrow during the morning commute, the kids heading out to school, 48 to 51. Now, still some rain during the afternoon. It just won't be as heavy, looking at temperatures much like today in the lower 50s. Here it is, city by city and town by town for your Tuesday afternoon. Upper 40s along the south shore to the lower 50s inland. And again, it's not a dry afternoon. It's just that the rain is not quite as heavy the second half of the day. Upper 40s across the Cape and the islands. All right, 7-day Futurecast shows drier weather by Wednesday afternoon at 50. Looking nice for Thursday. Much cooler on Friday, 47. And a chilly weekend. I mean, even with full sunshine Saturday, look at the high. Only 46 degrees. And on Sunday, a little milder after a cold start. Look at these early morning low temperatures over the weekend in the 20s, recovering to 53 by Sunday afternoon. Boy, that's pretty cold considering what we had this past weekend. WPRI.com to get your 7-day Futurecast. I mean, got 72 on Saturday. Of course, the reality check this week.
I know it couldn't last, but it was nice.
It was nice. Why not?
All right. Thanks, Tony.